So here is Ring's dating app. Yeah, this interesting app, which recently entered some of the charts in social media. And yeah, let's just open it up. You just need to create your account. Yeah, just fill out some questions. It's not that fast to create an account, but here we go. And then, yeah, you just present these profiles, and it's kind of a bit similar to Tinder, a bit different design. So here's how it looks like. You can like or swipe left or swipe right, kind of. You can see all the tags. Here you can set up all the filters. So something like that. You can set up the distance. So that's, then you can go to profiles. And then you can have these questionnaires. And then you still need to complete your profile. So this app is very oriented that you need to complete so much information on your profile, and yeah, and then you will have more dates and more opportunities. So here you can also upgrade and subscribe to the paid version. 1 month $19.99 per month, 3 months $39.99, 6 months $59.99. Then you can see likes, who people liked you, but then it's again says to complete my profile. So by completing your profile, it means you need to answer more questions. I can just show just an example. What types of persons are these? Okay, I don't know. Just so something like that. And again, it asks me to complete profile. Probably it needs like 5 or 6 photos or something like that. And then you can just view your profile overview. Yep, then you can see your likes, you can see your messages. Then there are settings. In case you are not happy, you can easily delete your account. That's cool. Block list. You can always send feedback or ask support. So that's that. But let's just go to a lot of like quite negative reviews. There are some good ones. A lot of 1-star reviews. I don't know. Is there a charge for you and the person you like? Why? Why is it mandatory to pay before you see people? Do not use I want one because it's this app. Try it's shown my profile. So some people say don't waste your money. Okay, it's understandable. Quite a new app, dating app. It doesn't have that many profiles, and yeah, it's not like a big amount of people you can meet here. There are bugs here and there. It's quite expensive as well. So, but anyways, you can always give a chance to a new dating app if Tinder or Bumble or some major dating apps don't work for you. So, yeah, give it a try.